सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ श्लोका नंबर 115 आधारनिलयो धाता पुष्पहासः प्रजागरः ऊर्ध्वगः सत्पथाचार्यः प्राणदः प्रणवः पणः पुष्पहासः. The Nama we are seeing 952. Adhara Nilayaha, Adhata and Pushpahasa in this sloka. For Adhata, we can take it as Dhata as well as Adhata. The one who is free from any dependency is called Adhata. We can take, if we take as Dhata, the one who drinks, as though he swallows, dhayati iti, pibati iti. Adhata, that we have taken. That is the meaning. When we take it as Adhata, swatmana dhrutasya, asya anyaha dhata nasti. There is no other support for him. He is called Adhata. Dhata means when he swallows everything. So negative, opposite meanings comes. So that if you join Adhata, otherwise Dhata. Then Pushpahasaha, just like the flower blossoms, Lord blossomed in the form of the universe. So whatever the universe I am seeing, the creation in front of me, imagine like a flower. How to imagine like a flower? Namakella akramanda theriyirade. No, when I see the world, all atrocities, all problems, all worries, so dirty it looks. But whereas if you change our attitude, the inner attitude of a change, all the pleasant and unpleasant put together, that manifestation of Ishvara. What is the example? Just like the rose flower. It looks so beautiful, nice fragrance, and if you go near and catch, thorns are there. Similarly, this is for protection. The thorn is the part of its flower, so it is for protection. So both pleasant and unpleasant, favorable and unfavorable, both are the part of the whole creation. So if I take in that way, it is Pushpahasaha only. Lord blossomed the whole universe as the creation like a flower. That's why whenever we see the creation, any unfavorable, why this like that, we should not question. Why this negative part? Why Bhagavan created kosu? Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are those create lot of problem. Why Bhagavan created them? This question comes. Why Bhagavan created scorpion? Why Bhagavan created snakes? So there is some purpose in that. There is some purpose. So we have to understand both. If I am not able to understand, better to do a namaskara. Ask Bhagavan, give me strength to face all these pleasant and unpleasant. At least have koncham buddhi. Use and try to understand what is the real inherent meaning in that. If you understand, it is well and good. If you are not able to understand, okay, do one namaskara, that's all. But never question why. If you put why question, you will never get an answer and you will get frustration only. Depression, frustration comes. Instead of that, better either keep quiet or try to understand the nature of the Lord, either this or that. So therefore Lord is called Pushpahasaha. Then Prajagaraha, this name only we have to see, no? Prajagaraha, 953. Nitya Prabruddha Swarupatvat Prakarshena Jagarti iti. Nitya Prabuddha means, Nitya means eternal, always. Prabuddha means awakened with knowledge. Prabuddha Swarupam, our Swarupame always awakened Swarupam. It's not going to tamas once in a while, coming to back to that normal Swarupam. It is not like that. Nitya Prabuddha Swarupam. Therefore we say, once you become a Jnani, there is no coming back again. Ajnanam thirupi varumemo anna madri problem kadiyadu. Suppose light comes, again darkness may come. Light may go, darkness will come. Similarly, we also think, suppose if I get Jnanam today, afterwards the Jnanam may go, like that we will get doubt. The Jnani will never lose that wisdom. That is the only wisdom where it will never go again. Other wisdoms all will go away. You will forget what? Physics, whatever you have studied in 8th standard, 5th standard, do you remember? What is 5th standard, Swamini? Previous class gnapakam illiye ani namaku varum. So that is our memory. So that wisdom, that is called Ajnana, again it covers. Whereas Bhagavan, this Atma Swarupam, Nitya Prabuddha Swarupatvat. That's why we want that, no? That's why we are very eager to know that. Nitya Prabuddha Swarupam. Buddhu illa. Tamil Buddhu enna? Tamil irukka Buddhu? Tamil Hindi. Buddhu. Now everybody is using, all languages are becoming familiar nowadays. Edi Hindi, edi Tamil theriyadu andha madri. Cosmopolitan city, no? Cosmopolitan city. Even French also coming, no? So, Prabuddha Swarupatvat Prakarshena Jagarti. Very clearly, always alert. Jagarti means what? It's always self-evident in his own nature. Beautiful name. Prajagaraha. Then Urdhvagaha. You can say ever awake, never asleep. No? Ever awake, never asleep. Nice, beautiful word. Then Urdhvagaha means the uppermost one who is above everything. Urdhva means up. Urdhvagaha means the one who goes. Gacchati. Urdhvam. Gacchati means not here. Literal meaning is not moving. The one who is the uppermost, that means what? Atma Swarupam is the topmost. Is the supermost. You can put any topmost or supermost. Everything, above everything. Urdhvagaha. Because the Lord alone pervading everything, nothing is there separately from the Lord. So, there is no second thing which is top level. The toppest, no? Top ranker and there is no second ranker, first ranker like that. Only Bhagavan. Only Bhagavan. Urdhvagaha. Then Satyathacharaha. Satpathacharaha. 955. Satpathacharaha means one who follows the righteous path. Acharya says, Satam Karmani Satpathaha. The actions of the righteous people are called Satpathaha. Patha means the way, the marga. The way marga means not the road here. The way of life, the code of conduct, we say. All Mahatmas, great people, sadhus, saints, jnanis, what type of life they live? Righteous way of life. that righteous way of life, Bhagavan follows, walking, imitating them. No? Bhagavan also imitates the Jnanis. Satam karmani. The actions of the noble people called Satpathaha, Tan Acharati iti Eshaha. Acharati. Eshaha. Tan Acharati. Eshaha iti Satpathacharaha. Walking in the path of righteous people. That's what Rama. Rama walked in the, is Vasishtha. Maharshis are models for Rama. For Krishna also, Sandipani is the model, front of him. So, even Bhagavan Krishna, Rama also had taken their gurus as ideas. They are Jnanis, Mahatmas. They followed whatever their guru said. Even Bhagavan also, imagine. It's not the question of avatara here. The wisdom is very important. The righteous way of living is Bhagavan means, that's why we call Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. Dharma means value, code of conduct. So Bhagavan, there is no second Rupam for Bhagavan. Dharma me Bhagavan. Wherever there is Dharma, there is value, somewhere it is going on, adi Bhagavan Swarupandan. So this is what we have to understand. Bhagavan means not separate from Dharma. Dharma, value means Bhagavan. So whenever I am following a value, I am living in that Bhagavan status. If I know this, we never go wrongly, unrighteous way. No, wrong way we never try to go. Once this is soaked in my mind, Bhagavan is none other than the values, the Swarupam, Dharma Swarupam. If I speak truth, I can't survive. If I follow values, I am useless in the society. People are thinking nowadays. Then that is more becoming popular nowadays. The more and more you are going according to the world, not following values, which is becoming very common, and people are accepting also. Corruption you are doing, adulteration you are doing, and you are talking anyway, split personality. Manasi anyat, vachasi anyat, karmani anyat. Chalta hai now. So okay, this is sahajam, ulagalla sahajam chulra ipo. Andha nelamayku vandita namu. Now we have reached such a state. Talking is something, thinking is something, doing something is not even pinprick kuda kadiyadu namakku ipo. People, public, the pinprick enna konjam kuda sensitivity illa. பரவாயில்ல, லோகம் எல்லாம் அப்படி இருக்கு, உலகம் எல்லாம் அப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். இது என்ன உலகம் எல்லாம் அப்படி இருக்குன்னு? You see the condition of the present society, how we are thinking. That shows the drastic change in the human pattern of thinking. And not only that, that way of thinking is more dangerous, harmful for human existence. That's more harmful for human existence. Just killing hundreds of people, and they say this is Pavitra Yuddham, holy war. And people have taken the bloodshed and cruelly treacherous way of killing, massacre, they take it as holy. What answer? No answer. So that's why a person, we need a basic values, code of conduct. So Bhagavan lived in that, and he has shown the path. What path he has shown? Not his own path, that is. All Jnanis, Mahatmas who lived in that path only Bhagavan followed. Now what it means? We have to follow the Mahatmas, Jnanis who are at the present in the society. Achinoti iti acharyaha. Then when you see them and follow, real worship of the Ishvara. But people are voting for only Elimichipadam, Tengai, Abhishekam, and even not respecting these people. Those who are living dharmic life, and they are creating problem, the so-called orthodox people. giving problems and not allowing them to live in their way also. So that is more power. Even you are not getting punyam, you are accumulating papam. So Bhagavan name is what now? Satphatacharaha. So that achara, sadacharam anchalo. Sadacharam is very, very important. And the sadacharam is there, moksha is simple. Duracharam is there, moksha is very difficult. So what I have to do? I want moksha, I want moksha, I want moksha. I want to follow. I have to live a sadachara life. What is sadachara? What I don't like others to do to me, I should not do to others. It's sadachara. Ellame included adila. Paropakaraya punyaya papaya parapeedanam. Not verbal level, action level, even thought level. I have to go a long way for that. That is called sadachara. If it is there, all come includes in that alone. Then next, pranadaha. Bhutan parikshit prabhutin jivayan. Daha means dadati. Prana, the one who gives life. Just when Parikshit was in womb, Ashwadhama killed this Pandava Vamshame irukkodadu, and he kills that boy in that womb itself. Is Uttara, the womb, Abhimanyu's son, Uttara. So this boy already died in the womb itself. So Krishna Paramatma knows, nobody knows that, and they are born like a aborted baby madre. Baby already died. So Krishna Paramatma gave life back to that. That's why he is called Pranadaha. Just like Parikshit, Prabhutin Jivayan. So Bhagavan wish he will give the life back to us. That is why we see some people in severe accident also they will survive. Some people in bathroom they will fall down and out. How many people we are seeing? Even severe accidents or severe chronic disease also they come back. Even Apollo hospital they go and return back safely. Some people go simple problem to Apollo hospital out there itself. So Ishvara Anugraha is must. No? That's why Bhagavan is called Pranadaha. Then Pranavaha. Pranavo nama Paramatmanaha Vachaka Onkaraha. Pranavam means what? Pranavo nama Paramatmanaha Vachaka Onkaraha. Vachaka Onkaraha means is a name identical. Om, Pranavam means Onkara, and Paramatma are identical, synonym. Abhedaha and no difference. Monosyllable denoting Paramatma, Vishnu is called Pranavaha. Because two are identical. If you say Om also, you are telling Bhagavan name alone. Bhagavan name alone. So that Pranavam, Onkara is Srishti Sthiti Laya. Akara, Ukara, Makara, put together Onkara. That Onkara is none other than Parabrahma Swarupam. So Onkara, if you chant, big long name, if you are not able to chant, even if you say Om, that is equal to Brahman, Paramatma. Therefore, Pranavaha. Then next Nama, 958, Panaha. Panaha means who awards to those that are entitled the fruits of their karmas. Who awards to those that are entitled the fruits of their karmas. Means what? He gives the karma phalam. Karma phala data. సర్వాణి రూపాణి విచిత్య ధీరః నామాని కృత్వాభి అభివదన్ యదాస్తే ఇది శృతేః. దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్? సర్వాణి కర్మాణి విచిత్య, విత్ డిస్క్రిమినేషన్. ఆల్ యాక్షన్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్, పుణ్యాని సర్వాణి కర్మాణి సంగృహ్య అధికారిభ్యః, ఆఫ్టర్ సీయింగ్ దేర్ పుణ్య పాప కర్మ అకార్డింగ్ టు దేర్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్, అధికారిభ్యః. పుణ్యకర్మకు అధికారి, పాపకర్మ అధికారి. అది కూడా అధికారం దా. ఓకే, అధికారి మీన్స్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ పుణ్యకర్మ, క్వాలిఫైడ్ ఇన్ పాపకర్మ అన్న. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ అధికారిభ్యః తత్ ఫలం ప్రయచ్చతి ఇది లక్షణయ. సో భగవాన్ ఈజ్ వన్ హూ గివ్స్ ద పుణ్యకర్మ phalam, papakarma phalam also. Panaha means the one who distributes, one who grants, entitles exactly according to their karma phalam. என்ன பயம் கொடுக்குறாரு, என்னென்னா நல்ல கர்மா பண்ணலான்னா எனக்கு கஷ்டம். ஸோ இஃப் ஐ டூ புண்ணிய கர்மா, மை லைஃப் இஸ் ஸோ safe and happy. If I do bad karma, I have to suffer. The bad karma, it may give temporary drishta phalam now, but it incur papam, sin, later it is going to come as bad phalam. So therefore I should not see that immediate phalam. Immediate phalam is 1 lakh of rupees you are going to get, but papam you are going to get immediately. No, it may not come papa phalam, but slowly it will come. So human beings are those, now people are seeing the immediate phalam. Eppo varaporadhu papa phalam yarukanda, even we do not know, that is adrishtam, not drishtam. This punya papa are not drishtam. So therefore we commit mistakes. Why we commit mistakes? A person who is doing all atrocities thriving, who is doing all atrocities, and not only that, they are all in big posts, no, ministers levels la irukku. Every person gets, no, who is going to see that all those the punya and papa? Now I want a happy life. At present I am suffering, so I want now. Now examples are in front of me, nicely they are all enjoying, you know. So this is what everyone takes it, and they follow again the same mistake they commit. So unless I have confidence, conviction about my punya papa phalam, that is only now my present suffering or pleasure, or because due to previous karma phalam, idu theriyum. My present life is because of previous karma phalam. So my future life going to be depend upon present karma. This is very difficult to convince, no? We have to convince our intellect. Unless I study Shastra thoroughly, not koncham padichina pohadu. In the karma philosophy puriyanam anna, we have to go even tattva bodha sariya puriyanam first. So if I understand this karma phalam, everyone should study, no? This karma theory very important to maintain the harmony in the society. Otherwise, and the leech madri, every person who wants to eat others, you know, grab from crabs, you know, they grab. Crab ne vekilam, the grab madri, catching. So grabbing from the people, everything, name, fame, avan sukkama irukkiradhu yarku pidikadu. He cannot be happy, and he cannot never allow others to be happy. So that karma is very important. So I should not think about my sukha dukkha now present. This sukha dukkha are because of my previous karma. At least now my karmas go along with the injunctions of Shastra. So next I will get punya phalam, and that's we have to develop that attitude, so that we will be very careful in doing actions. Next sloka we will read. प्रमाणं प्राणनिलयः प्राणभृत् प्राणजीवनः తత్వం తత్వవిదేకాత్మా జన్మ మృత్యుజరాతిగః 959th నామ ప్రమాణం. ప్రమాణం మీన్స్ ప్రమితి, మీన్స్ ప్రమితి, సంవిత్, స్వయం ప్రభ మీన్స్ జ్ఞానం. ప్రమా మీన్స్ జ్ఞానం, ప్రమితి, సంవిత్ మీన్స్ జ్ఞానం, స్వయం ప్రభ ఆల్సో సెల్ఫ్ షైనింగ్, సెల్ఫ్ ఎవిడెంట్. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is self-evident. Swayam bhati. Tameva bhata manubhati sarvam. Because of him alone everything shines. Therefore, he is called Pramanam. Why he is called Pramanam? No other Pramanam is required to show that Lord Vishnu. No other instrument is required to make evident the Lord, because he himself is a pramana, because jnana swarupatvat, swayam prabha, self evident. Pramanam. So therefore Shastra says prajnanam brahma iti shrutehe, or jnana swarupam iti nirmalam paramarthatah. జ్ఞానస్వరూపం అత్యంత నిర్మలం. అత్యంత నిర్మలం జ్ఞానస్వరూపం, ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ తమోగుణ రజోగుణ. ద ప్యూరిటీ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్ ఓన్లీ వెన్ వీఆర్ ఇన్ సత్వగుణ. ప్యూరిటీ, నిర్మలం. సో జ్ఞానస్వరూపం ఈజ్ అత్యంత నిర్మలం. దెర్ ఇస్ నో తమోగుణ ఆర్ రజోగుణ. That means Jnani is free from tamoguna, rajoguna, means very feeble. They are very feeble in Jnani. Otherwise Jnani tungave mata. Tamoguna is not there, Jnani also will not sleep. So tamoguna is required to such an extent to make the body to sleep. Rajoguna also will be there to do some actions. Daily eating, taking bath, all these actions only by rajoguna. So entertain rajoguna and tamoguna to such an extent to maintain the body, but the whole predominantly sattvaguna. Why? The Jnani is one who understood that prajnanam brahma as myself. Therefore sattvaguna pradhanam, predominantly sattvaguna. Sadhu. நமக்கு இப்படி என்ன தமோகுணமா இருக்கும் ஜாஸ்தியா, ரஜோகுணமா இருக்கும். Not you, generally. Now you are all sattva pradhanam, no? Because now 959th nama anna, you have left tamoguna, rajoguna totally. That's what tamoguna irukka. The beginning la first class varumbodhu pudusula தூக்கம் வரும். பரவாயில்ல, வந்தா கூட வருங்கோ வாங்கோ கிளாஸ்ன்னு சொல்றோமா இல்லையா? கிளாஸுக்கு வாங்கோ. இந்த தமோகுணா போயிட்டு அப்புறம் ரஜோகுணா வரும். ரஜோகுணத்துலேருந்து சத்துவகுணம் தானாகவே வந்துடணும். போயிடுதா இல்லையா? இப்போ ஐ நோ it has gone. So that tamoguna will go, rajoguna will go slowly, sattvaguna become predominant, because the nirmalatvam takes place. When that nirmalatvam takes place and the swarupam taanave evident aidum, irukra swarupam already it is become evident. Therefore Bhagavan is called pramanam. For whom it is evident, they are also called pramanam. No other pramana is required. Then prana nilayaha. Another Acharya says for pramanam, tameva arthaswarupena bhranti darshanataha sthitam. Beautiful this is. The same Lord, why he is pramanam? The same Lord appears tam eva ardhaswarupena. Artha means in the form of objects. In the form of objects, in every object, ardhaswarupena bhranti darshanataha. Bhranti. Because whatever we are seeing the objects, we are seeing because of bhranti, delusion, as object. But a Jnani sees those objects as Brahman. So, Tameva, the same Lord appearing in the form of objects. For an Ajnani, Bhranti Rupam, because of delusion, he looks at them as objects, that's all. Daughter means, ennude daughter, ennude ponnu ani solluvom. For a Jnani, she is also Brahma Swarupam. My son, who is my son? Is also an object, Padartha. What is type of Padartha? Bhagavan only appearing in that form of Padartha. So a Jnani looks at that person as Brahman. Not only son and daughter, any Padartha, whatever you see in the world. For Ajnani, it looks as though Porul. Padartham, it looks. For Jnani, it looks as Bhagavat Swarupam. Sthitam iti. This is said in Vishnu Purana. Then Pranaha, Prana Nilayaha means Pranaha Indriyani Yatra Jive Niliyante. Pranaha means, 5 Pancha Pranas. Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samana, then Apana. Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samana. Hello, Manshachile. Mukhya Pranam, Prana, Apana, Samana, Udana, Vyana. So, Pancha Pranaha plus Indriyani. Pancha Karmendriyani, Pancha Jnanendriyani. 10 sense organs. Yatra Jive Niliyante. In which Jiva, they are all resort and abide. Stays, Niliyante. Tat Paratantratvat. Because these sense organs and pranas are not dependent. They are all Paratantram, not Swatantram. They are all depending always on the Jiva. Paratantratvat. Dehasya Dharakaha. So, Dehasya Dharaka is what? Prana and Indriyas. Prana gives life to this body, but this prana depends on that Jiva Atma. Jiva Atma. Prana cannot stay alone. Jiva Atma. That is one meaning, in whom these sense organs. First meaning is 10 sense organs and 5 pranas merge in Jiva. They are all merged into Jiva. Then the second meaning is Pranaha Jivaha Pare Pumsi Niliyata iti. That means, actually, really speaking, the Jiva is none other than Paramatma alone. Jivaha Pare Pumsi means Paramatma. Pare Pumsi Niliyata iti. This prana, Jiva, into whom this prana and Jiva merges. That is another. First one is prana and sense organs merges in Jiva. Now prana and Jiva are merging in Paramatma. Jiva is none other than Paramatma. So prana and Jiva merges. Into whom? The Supreme Person you can take. The Supreme Person into whom this prana and Jiva. Jiva means here Chidabhasa. Ahankara Sahita, Upadhi Sahita, Jiva is called Jiva. So you remove that Upadhi, the Ahankara Chidabhasa merges, reflected consciousness. And the reflection you remove, consciousness remains. Consciousness remains. Therefore, the second meaning is the Supreme Person into whom the prana and Jiva merges. Third meaning is Pranan Jivamscha Samharan iti Prana Nilayaha. Pranan Jivan Samharati. Samharati means withdrawal. Withdrawer, the withdrawer of Jivas during Pralaya. During Pralaya, the Jiva hood. In sleep also, is there Jiva hood? Na Jivane, na Samsari. I am Nirkuma. That's why when not only need deep sleep, even classలో చిన్న తుంగినా కూడా you will forget where you are sitting, who are you. So that jivahood has gone in the laya itself. What to talk of pralaya? பிரளயல இன்னும் அதுதான் தூங்கினா நல்லா இருக்கும் சுவாமினி அப்படி என்னென்னா அந்த ஜீவாஹுட் லிமிட்டேஷன் அந்த ப்ராப்ளமே போயிடும். when we sleep and the limited identity, individuality will go away. Whenever that individuality, identity will go away, I feel happy. That's why we all love sleep. We all love sleep because I can't withstand with this limitation. From morning 6 to 12 over limitation. All problems takes place. Once I go to sleep, no limitation at all. All are equal. No? All are equal. Do not know how much salary is coming, how much we are spending, how much money is there in the bank, what type of health, what type of disease இருக்கு உடம்புல இன்னும் தெரியாது, என்னென்ன வீட்டில் என்னென்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு. தட் இஸ் லயா. பிரளய காலே he takes all the jivas. Prana Nilayaha. Beautiful name. See, Jivanscha Samharan iti. Samhara means here not exactly killing. Samharan means as though killing. Killing means what? Whenever it goes away, the jivahood, naturally it is killing only. So Samharan. Iva Samharan. Samharan Iva Samharan potikalam. Adu madri. See, when you are going to sleep, it is not totally destroyed. But are you enjoying or not? In the sleep, we are there, we are going to come back again after 5 hours. 5 hours correct thungina periya vishayam namakku. So after 5 years, hours, not 5 years, 5 hours, you come back. We are not Kumbhakarna, no? We can't sleep like Kumbhakarna. So, and the 5 hours itself you feel that much relaxation. Imagine if a gnani is one who is always free from that identity, individuality. Imagine what an ananda that gnani enjoys. Gnani enjoys. So Bhagavan வந்து அந்த ஜீவாஹுட் ஐடென்டிட்டி எடுக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நானே விடணும். I have to leave. That is more beautiful. So prana nilayah, Bhagavan is called prana nilayah. Finally, what I have to understand, the whole body, the mind, this machine, just existed because of Paramatma. நிலையம் பிராணம் இருக்கிறதுக்கு, இந்த உடம்பு இருக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன காரணம்னா கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். That consciousness is not there, this body is useless. So therefore, remember always the consciousness. Remember always. Then the more you remember that Brahma Swarupam, consciousness, awareness I am, body identity will reduce, mind identity will reduce. Even anybody scolds you also, you don't bother. Anybody scolds you and tortures you, so many problems they create. No? Even your body itself gives a lot of problem also. You never get effect by all those things. This Sokam Tarati Sokam Atmavidu. Bhagavan is called Prana Nilayah. Same time Prana Bhrit also. 961 Nama. Prana Bhrit means Poshayan Anna Rupena Pranan. After giving this prana, what he does? Poshayan, he protects. Poshikirade, nourishes. How he nourishes us? Anna Rupena. Therefore, Brahmarpana, Brahmahavihi. This Anna Rupena da. Annam yaru? In the form of Annam anchunar. Anna Rupena anchulirkaru. By Annam channel. Anna Rupena. In the form of Annam, food, he is, Bhagavan is Poshayan, protecting, giving. Prana Bhrit. Bhrit. என்ன இருக்கு? இல்ல பிராண பிரித். Poshayan Annarupena Pranan. So therefore, everything is there. If I don't take food one day, 2 days, வாயில இருந்து பேசவே வராது. ஏன் பேசல? நேற்று உபவாசம். நேற்று உபவாசம்னா இன்னைக்கு பேச வராது. ஏன் என்ன பகவான் போஷகன்னு அன்ன ரூபேண நாஸ்தி. Therefore, I am not able to talk. You cannot see, you cannot talk, you cannot walk. Because that Anna Rupena Brahman is not there, you have not taken. That's why Annam also important. Therefore, when I am taking Annam, see, this is Brahman. Because of this Annam, Brahman alone enlivens this prana. That prana only enlivens me. Remember, nothing is separate from Bhagavan. No? Then prana jivanaha. అది పోడను ఓల్డ్ పర్వాలేదు. ప్రాణ జీవనః మీన్స్ ప్రాణినః జీవయన్ ప్రాణాఖ్యైః ప్రాణినః జీవయన్. The one who gives life in the form of the name is called prana, means pavanam, air. Pavana means air. Prana jivanaha, in the form of air, respiratory system, sustainer of prana by means of food, previous one, sustainer of prana by means of air. இந்த காற்று இருந்தால் போதும், எனக்கு சாப்பாடு இல்லைன்னா கூட பரவாயில்ல, கொஞ்சம் காற்று இருந்தால் நல்லா இருக்கு இல்லையா? காற்று இஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். இந்த தண்ணி வாங்குகிறோம், காற்று கூட வாங்க போகிறோமோ இல்லை தெரியல. We have never imagined we will buy water, no? We have never imagined. We do not know in future air also. Some countries they are buying air. No pure air is available. Therefore everybody is buying ஒரு oxygen cylinder. And bag மாதிரி மாட்டிட்டு oxygen cylinder available. வருது அதான் பியூர் ஆக்சிஜன். என்ன அர்த்தம்? இப்போ பியூர் ஆக்சிஜன் இல்லைன்னு தானே அர்த்தம். Too much pollution. No? So therefore now in the form of air he is sustaining. Therefore prana jivanaha. Na pranena na apanena matyo jivati kaschana. So here in Kathopanishad it says na pranena na apanena. Prana means is exhalation, apana means inhalation. So no being is living only by inhalation and exhalation. Na kaschit jivati kaschana. Matya means the mortal one never live only because of prana, inhalation and exhalation. But itarena tu jivanti yasmin netad upashritau. Itare tad jivanti. There is some other thing other than this apana prana, mukhya prana. Who is that prana? Prana bhrit, prana nilayaha, prana jivanaha. So some people take this prana itself is Brahman. Because of prana only we are surviving. Inhalation, exhalation itself Brahman, God they take. Prana upasana ella pandravanga pranane the ultimate God. Therefore Kathopanishad Yamadharmaraja says prana and apana and this prana are not the ultimate. The ultimate is the one who is that Paramatma, Parabrahman, who controls this apana prana and mukhya prana. So that is very important. Then tattvam. Tattvam means reality. Tattvam means reality. What is the nature? Amrutam. Tattvam means Amrutam. All synonym names are given here. Amrutam, Satyam, Paramarthaha. Tattvam means Amrutam. Amrutam means what? Immortality. Amrutatvam. Satyam, the truth. Paramarthaha, truth. All these are synonyms. Satatvam, Satatvam iti. Satatvam also another. Sat Tattvam, Sat Tattvam. Satatvam. So ekartha vachinaha. All are synonyms. So Tattvam sonna, Satyam sonna, Paramarthaha sonna, Amrutam sonna, all same meaning. So Bhagavan Lord Vishnu means Tattvam. Then Shabda. Paramartha Sataha Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha Vachakaha Shabdaha. All these are names to that Lord or Brahman. Then Tattvavit 964. Tattvavitu means the one who knows that. You can put Amritam, Satyam, Paramartha, who knows. Tattvam, Swarupam. Tattva means we saw in the previous Nama. So in that Satyam, that truth, whoever knows, Swarupam, Yadhavat iti. Yadhavat Veti iti. Veda means, with means the know, to know. Vidh dhatu. Yathavat Veti. Yathavat Veti is important. You have to underline Yathavat. I also know Brahman. I saw Brahman yesterday. Yathavat illen ardham. So if anyone says, I saw Brahman, I seen God in Sunnah, it is not Yathavat. So therefore, people think if anybody is having miraculous powers, siddhis, they take them as Bhagavan. So, to say he is Bhagavan, miraculous powers are not the criteria. If anyone shows siddhis, you cannot say he is Bhagavan. Magician also, a music academy or magician, can you call him Bhagavan? He also shows siddhis, magics, miracles. So, Shastra never accepts by just showing siddhis, you cannot call him as a Bhagavan. Bhagavan means that 6 qualities must be there. Shanna Bhaga iti Rana. Vairagyam, Aishwaryam, Kirti, Yashas, idella irukkanum. Vivekam. So that Jnanam should be there, mainly Jnanam. Jnanam is important, not miraculous powers. So Yathavat means to know as the consciousness, as Brahman, I the awarer. So that Paramatma Swarupam also the same, I am also the same. So those who knows, he is called Tattvavit. Yarukku nalla theriyum, Vishnu da theriyum. Our Swarupam avarku theriyala, yarukku theriyum. So Tattvavit. Whoever knows his Swarupam Yathavat, they are also called Tattvavit. If you know, you also called Tattvavit. Bhagavan pe. Vishnu ani vechikrom, Tattvavit ani vechikamatom. Illiya? Enna Tattvavit also Bhagavan name only. Therefore, Ananda, Anandaha. Bhagavan is Anandaha. Naan mattum Anandam ille. Bhagavan peru matram vechikrom, Anandam kadiyadu. So Bhagavan name if I keep, I should have to live at least some extent, not totally, some extent. So Tattvavit. Then Ekatma. Ekascha, Ekahacha aso eva Atma cha iti. Ekatma, only one self. What is the proof? Chandogya Upanishad it says, Atma idam eka eva agre asit. Idam Atma, this Atma alone was there in the beginning. Alone, that is important. Eva. Atma alone. Naan irukku, Atma irukku solla kudadu. Atma da irukku. Ippo enna irukku? Ippomu Atma da irukku. Ippo nariya theriyirudhu enna? Aa theriyirudella Atma da. Nariya madri. You are appearing as though many, but really speaking, one alone. Your picture only, your form alone appears in many mirrors. If you keep many mirrors, no, I have become so many, and you say, no, I am appearing as though many. As though is important, not really as though. So, Eka Atma. That is why Atma definition has given. Atma means that which pervades, that which receives, enjoys, exists always. Atma echapnoti yadadatte echa atti vishayaniha echasya santato bhavaha. First one is echapnoti, yadapnoti, that which pervades. Yadapnoti, yadadatte, that which receives. Who receives everything? Atma alone receives. Yadapnoti, yadadatte echa atti, that which enjoys all objects. Enjoys echa atti vishayaniha. What it enjoys? All vishayan. All objects enjoys. Who is enjoying all objects? I, the consciousness alone enjoying. Only Brahman enjoy ani solla kudadu. And the Brahman Nanda, I the consciousness enjoying all the objects. I the consciousness pervades everywhere. I the consciousness receives everything. I the consciousness exists always. That is the second line. Echa asya santato bhavaha. Echa asya, whose presence is always there. Whose presence is always there. Visibly in the form of body, it is visible. Without body, it is not visible. But I am there. I am there. Therefore, iti smritecha. The definition of Atma. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is called Ekatma. Many people say, in other philosophers, there are so many Atmas. Aalukku Atma pottukunnaru. Aalukku Atma. No, your Atma is different, my Atma is different. In your house, the space is different. My house space is different. So, everyone has their own space in that. Different spaces. Can you say, unga veetla irukra edam vere, edavali ennoda veetla irukra edavali vere nu solla mudiyuma? Ella edavalila namma veedu kattirukom. Kattittu edavali illiye nu solrom. Namma edavali nu solrom. It's my space. How much property you have got? 3-4 grounds I have got. Space belongs to whom? Really speaking, it will, nobody can own up that. No. Similarly, Atma is also, you cannot say my Atma, your Atman. In all Atmas, all these bodies are existing. Like all parts, that space is existing. We are all like parts. ஒரு பாட்டு அந்த பாட்டில் ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கிற மாதிரி இந்த உடம்புல ஆத்மா இருக்கு. ஸோ யூ cannot say many ஆத்மாஸ். ஏகாத்மா. இந்த ஏகாத்மா பாவனை வந்தன்னா யூ டோன்ட் ஃபைட் வித் அதர்ஸ், யூ டோன்ட் கெட் இரிட்டேஷன் வித் அதர்ஸ், யூ டோன்ட் கெட் ஆங்க்ரி வித் அதர்ஸ். சும்மா வந்தால் கூட போயிடும் உடனே. இட் ஒன்ட் பி சீரியஸ். அந்த கில்ட்டு ஒரே கவலையா அப்படியே லைஃப் லாங் கோன் திங்கிங் இதெல்லாம் இருக்காது. நேச்சுரல் ஏதோ பாடி மைண்டில் இருக்கிற போது அந்த குணேஷு வர்த்தந்தேன்னு வந்துடும் போயிடும். பட் தே வில் நெவர் பிளே ஏ பிக் ரோல் இன் த லைஃப். தே ஆர் ஆல் லைக் ஸ்ப்ரவுட்டட் சீட்ஸ் மாதிரி, அது லைக் எ ஷேடோ. தே நெவர் எஃபெக்ட் இட். தேர்ஃபோர் இஸ் கால்ட் ஏகாத்மா. ஜன்ம மிருத்யு ஜராதிகா 966. Jaratigaha means the one who crossed the Jara, Janma, Mrityu. Jara, birth, death, old age. Who is free from birth, death and old age. Birth irundadane old age varum. When old age is there, only death will come. When birth is there, death will come. So when there is no birth, where is the question of old age? Where is the question of death? Clear. Therefore, Bhagavan is na jayate na mriyate kadachit. Jayate, vardhate, vipranamate, apakshiyate, vinashyati is not there in the Bhagavan. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is called as Jaratigaha. Janma mrityu, Jara, hati ante beyond atigaha. Na jayate mriyate va vipaschita iti mantra. Vipaschita enna sonna here in the mantra, Vivichya pashyati iti vipaschita. Vivichya na analyzing. Vivichya means distinctly he sees. This mrityu is only to the body. In the death also only to the body. Even old age also to the body. So no more cry. No more cry. Goodbye to cry. This is called jnana. When Janma Mrityu Jaratigaha, when I know, when the Lord is Janma Mrityu Jaratigaha, when I am that part of Ishvara, am I not Janma Mrityu Jaratigaha? The Lord created the world, Lord became the world, Lord appearing as the world, I am part of the world, therefore Lord is Janma Mrityu Jaratigaha, therefore I am Janma Mrityu Jaratigaha. Over Vedanta. Enna Swamini onnu puriyaleyenu வீட்டுக்கு போய் யோசிப்போம். You can understand. Okay. Next sloka we will read. Bhurbhuvasvastarustarah savita सविता प्रपितामहः यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्वा यज्ञांगो यज्ञवाहनः So what I said previous statement is simple only. I hope you have all followed it, no? Isn't it? Any doubt irukku? Bhagavan created the world. Bhagavan became the world. Bhagavan appearing as the world. There is nothing other than Bhagavan. So I am included in that Bhagavan creation. Therefore, when Bhagavan is Janma Mrityu Jaratigaha, I am also Janma Mrityu Jaratigaha. Clear? Simple paranga. You are all advanced. I need not explain. So Bhur-Bhuvaha Swaha Samakhyani Trini Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha Taruhu. Ellame word. Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha Taruhu. There are also 3-4 meanings. 1, 2, 3, 4 meanings Acharya gives here. All Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha are all like Vyakritis, condensed. Vedas, the condensed form is called Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha. 3 lokas, 3 Vyakritis. It's a nice today, no, very auspicious day. This Gayatri mantra, it came from Vedas only. Bhur Bhuva Suvaha. All the 3 words, nothing other than Vedas essence. Vedas essence. So, Bahuda, people say, in Rig Veda they said, Richa Ahuhu. In Rig Veda they said, those whoever chant, whoever knows the nature of this Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha, they cross over this samsara. Taihi Homadina Jagatrayam Tarati. Homadina means those who performs Homam. By understanding this whole Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suha is none other than Paramatma and performs the Homa and Tarati Samsara. Understands, crosses over the Samsara. Understanding that Bhagavan is none other than in the form of 3 words. So whatever I am seeing, he is the Bhagavan. This attitude gives moksha. Tarati Samsaraha. That's why Taruhu means here Tarati anena iti taruhu. Palavate అని చెప్పారు, as though he swims అన్నమాట. Very simply, nicely he swims this samsara and crosses over. And samsaram here కష్టமா ఇరుకే స్విమ్మింగ్ అని ప్రాబ్లం கிடையாது. And he enjoys more. A swimmer who knows swimming enjoys more. Swimming வரலன்னா தண்ணி, he will drink the தண்ணி, water he drinks. அது மாதிரி we are drinking so many insults, censures, criticisms. If you know the swimming of samsara, aha, I am giving happiness to them by criticizing me. I am giving happiness to them by fighting with me. They are happy when they are fighting with you. When they are angry towards you, they are happy. So what do you think? Let them be happy. If they shout at me, they are happy. At least I am giving happiness by shouting. They are shouting at me. Hadi anandam avangalukku. So a jnani is one who feels happiness in their fulfillment. Even though it is unpleasant, but Jnani feels happiness. The attitude is important. We'll see more in the next class. Other meanings I will give in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.